Welcome to FTTx Telecom. HLD, High-Level Design, Purpose. It provides an overview or blueprint of the telecom network. Focuses on overall architecture and network topology. Includes details like coverage area, boundaries, main cable routes, trunk, feeder, equipment locations, FDH, OLT, handhole, manholes, used for planning, approvals, and budget estimation. LLD, Low-Level Design, Purpose. It translates the HLD into detailed, implementable instructions. Fiber core assignments, e.g., 1 to 12 cores, splice points and enclosures. Duct and trench paths, with measurements, equipment configurations and port mapping. Pole and chamber usage. Permits. Purpose. Required permissions to perform installation work on public or private property. Common types include city, county, township permits for road, railway or highway crossing permits. Building permits for indoor cabling or rooftop equipment. Often include NOC, no objection certificates. Checkmark no permit equals no work in many areas. USED, Data Post. Purpose. Upload and register field construction data into a central system. After physical work, like trenching or cable laying, field teams record what was done. Capture GPS locations, measurements, photos. Data is posted, entered, into project tracking or GIS systems, AutoCAD, QGIS, 3GIS. As-builts. Purpose. The final, actual record of what was built, can differ from original design. Includes actual cable lengths, routes, final splice details, any field changes or deviations. Created after completion and data post. Submitted for client acceptance and long-term maintenance. Check mark as built equals. This is exactly what we built. Summary table. Phase deliverable use. Planning HLD design and approvals. Design LLD construction guidance. Pre-execution permits legal permissions. Execution data post real-time project updates. Post-execution as built final record of implementation. Thank you watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share.